coordinates. Let's say coordinate. Okay, so we are going to learn about coordinates. What is coordinate? A coordinate is a position of a sprite on the stage. Go to x minus 7, y minus 54. So this is the position of this sprite here. The current position of the sprite is minus 7, minus 54. Now just pay attention here as I drag and move this sprite with my mouse. You can see how this value changed now. X is 39 and y is minus 54 or negative, sorry, 53. Keep on moving this sprite horizontally to the right direction. You can see x is growing. X is growing into a bigger positive number. Now it's 176. And if I keep moving the sprite again and again using the mouse, you can see now x is 207. Yeah, okay, just let's keep moving back. Let's keep moving the sprite backward. Okay, now as you can see, going to the left, x value is getting smaller and smaller. Then now it's negative number, right? Minus 52. If I keep on going, it increases negatively. Okay, all right, now here at the left edge, horizontally at the left edge, it is minus 207. So you can see if you go to the left direction, to the left, if the sprite goes to the left direction, x value becomes negative. Okay, negative number, it grows negatively. And if the sprite goes to the right, x grows positively. Yeah, a positive number, a positive x value shows that the sprite is positioned to the right. Okay, and a negative x value or a program. Okay, you can decide with that. Okay, now let's, if I say I have now two commands in my script. Okay, this is a script. A script is what? It is a program. It's a computer program that tells the computer what to do. In this case, it tells the computer to send the sprite to the center of the stage. Okay, now if I want, when on clicking the green flag, if I want the sprite to be here, to start always here, what I will do is this. Let me show you. Okay, just remove this go to. You can look at this number here, these numbers, you can copy this and edit them. Okay, here, or you can just remove this, go delete the go to, bring another go to. Okay, now because I drag this one, the current, the new go to value is this value. Okay, just drag this block and add it. Now you have made a script with two commands: an event to start the program on green flag, clicking, being clicked, and a go to command that tells the sprite when the program starts to go to this position. Okay, see now when I click, it has gone to this position. Okay, that's a good thing. When the program starts, the sprite goes to that position. Good. Now let's do something. We have lots of other commands here, right? One of them that I want to show you today is glide. Okay, so glide, let's make the sprite, when the program starts, it will start here, but we want it to go to this position. Okay, using glide command. Okay, now when I drag the sprite using the mouse, the current y and x value is changed, as you can see, and the glide command here to the left is showing that value. Okay, let me make this script big so you can see it very well. Good. Now if I drag this command and add it here, click this program, you can see now when I click this program, what is this command telling it? Upon clicking the green flag, start this program, the sprite should go to this position, starting position here. Okay, and then the sprite starting from this position should go to this position. Okay, the glide command is telling it to go to this position. What does this one say? 1 second. When it's moving, you can make it slower by increasing the seconds. If I made it 2 seconds, for example, you can see the sprite will glide slowly. If you make it like 4 seconds, becomes slower. Yeah, okay. All right, now you can see that each time when you are clicking this program, this green flag, the sprite returns to the start position and it goes from that. All right, okay, good. That's one point we want to discuss in this session. Thank you for watching.